Holy crap, guys. Look at this. Lamborghini Centenario. These huge fins in the diffuser. Actually, the first Centenario that I've seen. I kind of had the opportunity to see one a few months ago, but unfortunately the owner wasn't allowing anyone to check it out. So this one is finished in, I forgot the name of this color, I think it's blue Cephas. It's got carbon fiber on the wheels. This huge vent into the, I guess that's the radiator. Carbon fiber roof with the Centenario logo. And a roof scoop right there. Not sure where that leads into. Probably just leads into the engine. Could be like an intake. There you go. These huge hood vents here. There you go. Can you back up a bit? Look at this. There you go. Lamborghini light design. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little thing there. Wow. This thing is beautiful. So I think this is actually based on an Aventador chassis, and they just kind of rebodied it. But everything on this car is unique to this car. So none of the body panels are shared. Probably just the engine. It's like a hotted up version. So I think this is the LP770. So I think it uses the engine. Actually, no, it's not even the SV, because the SV has 750 horsepower. So this is a little extra special. It has 770 horsepower. It's got the movable wing, so those are actually the supports. And it looks like, yeah, it can flip up and act as an air brake. But what's kind of interesting is I noticed, I've never seen this before, but the wing actually has the slot in the middle. And not sure what that's for, because typically you want the wing to be one complete piece. Because that way, you get maximum downforce. So that slot might be there to perhaps stall the wing a little bit or something. I don't know. But the amount of carbon fiber on this thing, just perfect carbon fiber, is insane. There you go. So the hood is actually, well, the rear bonnet is partially glass and partially carbon fiber, vented carbon fiber. Real nice.
SEMA or no SEMA?
Nice try, Vince. Nice try. Nice try.
I wanted to see how it was compared to the other cars.
I want to see the interior. Maybe we can ask. Maybe
I wasn't trying to open it. I was actually like feeling the door handle because it looks similar to like the ours.
Maybe we can ask an employee to open the door. Hey, you know what? That's not a bad idea. Hey Vince, I'm gonna get somebody to open the door. See if we can check out the interior. All right, they're coming out. They're coming out. There you go. Okay.
Don't let anybody get inside the car.
Only pictures. Yeah. Still got the new car smell. So here it's got carbon fiber shift paddles. There you go, dry carbon on the cluster. Dry carbon running down the center console. Wow. So it's spec'd with blue stitching and matching exterior blue on the steering wheel. Wow, just look at this thing. Then it has a deviation from the standard Aventador or Lamborghini chassis. It has this huge touchscreen, which I'm sure you can find videos of that in operation somewhere on YouTube. Coming down here, looks like aluminum sporty driving pedals, and this pattern extends all the way down through the floor mats. Really nice. Go on the other side. There you go. Really, really beautiful. So this is looks like it's a fixed Alcantara bucket seat with carbon fiber on the frame. There you go, so it's Centenario right there on this knee bolster here, padded knee bolster. Comes all the way back. Oh, there's a camera. There's a camera right in the middle so that you can record. I don't know if it's here. There it is. Okay, you can record yourself as you're driving on the track, and you can't really see it. It's back there somewhere, but the latch for the child seat is still there. There you go. Alcantara and leather headliner. Really nice. Wow, the Centenario is a ridiculously amazing, beautiful machine. $2.3 million, I think, 770 horsepower. It's got a lot more carbon fiber and special bits over the standard Aventador upon which it's based. So that's pretty awesome. But that's the first car here. Let's see what else is out here in the event. All right, so what's out here? We got a Aston Martin DB11. It's kind of a light day today, I guess. People are. It's kind of a light day today, I guess. People are kind of just out and about. Maybe they're at the beach. Maybe they're on vacation or something. But no big deal. You have a beautiful, beautiful. What is this? F430 Scuderia. Let's see. Porsche 911. Hey. Coming in hot. Porsche 911. Like the vinyl on this R8 here. There we go. Let's see. MP4. I'm starting to see a lot more MP4s pop up. For a while they were just kind of unpopular. Since it's like McLaren's first road car other than the P1, other than the P1 and F1. The first run was kind of, I'm going to call it unreliable. But now I'm starting to see them pop up more and more, especially as they become more inexpensive, because the 650S came out, and these just immediately dropped in value because the 650S just looks so much more sick. But what else is out here? We got the Hellcat, classic GT350. There you go. BMW M3. And let's see what we have here. Oh, this is all done up. It's got a CSF upgraded intercooler, which, I mean, this thing must be making a ton of power, because people on these, they generally don't upgrade their intercoolers. The factory intercooler is good for a decent amount of power. So, there you go. Dine-in airbox. Airbox is. There you go. What else does it have? I have to find the owner or something, because this has a lot of extra stuff done to it. I want to figure out how much power it's making. Alright, so I don't think much has changed in the showroom. Looks like they added a few cars, rearranged a few cars. But here is the beautiful L'Ultimo. Brett David's Prestige Imports. Pagani Huayra. Very, very special car. Next to it is the Zonda F. What's funny is that I never thought I would ever see a Zonda here in the United States because they weren't sold. Okay. Good. That's a little loud. This is my buddy Steven's old car. It's for sale here at Prestige. There you go. Freaking nuts. These are 700 horsepower stock. Probably been a little modified. It's about 800 horsepower. Really, really nice. Let's go check out my friend Robbie's car. His car's name is Solis. It's the name of this color. It's a MSO color, and it's very, very unique. And they recently just wrapped it. I think he's doing some stuff for the Miami F1 Festival. So let's take a look at this real quick. There you go. Hashtag McLaren F1. That's my sponsor stickers. I'm not sure what the significance of number 14 may be. So this belongs to my friend GT3 Robbie. You see the Kiwi there? From it's a famous McLaren logo from back in the day, and they feature that Kiwi on like all of their cars. It's a thing. Really nice. So I believe that they get this all set up for the Formula One Festival in Miami. That's today, and I'll be going to that later on. So that I may feature that in this vlog or maybe the next one. But it just looks sick. There you go. Alright guys, I'm on the way to get some food at the food truck here. This world famous egg roll is really, really good. But check out this Dodge Challenger next to me. Someone modified it to have tracks. It's kind of cool, like a tank. But yeah, I'm pretty hungry. I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna get some food now. Alright, so this edition of Prestige Imports is kind of dead. And you know, for good reason. Today is the Formula One Miami F1 Miami Festival in Bayfront Park, and that's where a lot of the people are. You know, that just happens to be the thing that's going on today, and everybody's deciding, I guess, to jump straight there. But a few of us brave souls, we came out here, and you know, attended this first, and then we're going to Bayfront Park. So you know, that's what I'm going to be doing. Right now, I'm just going to hang out for a little bit because, well, it's hot and it doesn't make sense to go all the way to Bayfront Park right now. But, yeah, we're going to rock and roll. So, I do have some bad news, though. A few weeks ago, my 240SX, which I was hoping to try and feature on the channel a little bit more, it spun a rod bearing. Or, well, we think it spun a rod bearing. So, we're taking apart the motor now. But, I'm kind of at a loss because, like, at this point, I've invested so much money into the car. I think the engine alone has like $10,000 put into it, you know. And while it's fun to, you know, race and beat up on Porsches and the like, Mustangs, it's also not fun to have to pull your motor every 6 months, or you know, something major breaks every 6 months. So I might be looking to something that's a little more performance oriented. I mean, I'm going to be parting out my drivetrain. There's a thread up on Zilvia, and I'm choosing between either doing an LS swap or parting out the entire car and going to a different car. So it's all up in the air. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. Of course, you know, I'm going to take some video. We already have the motor out. We're going to be taking apart the motor, so I'll try to get some video of us taking apart the motor, me and my friend. And yeah, we'll go from there. Now, I would have filmed us pulling the motor, but we only had so much daylight, so I didn't want to spend, you know, all that time, you know, vlogging and trying to pull the motor. Like, doing both is extremely frustrating and time consuming. So it wasn't possible at the time. Once I'm like Tavares and I have a big enough space that I can have the car sit for a few, you know, days, weeks, months, or whatever, and vlog and fix the car at the same time, then I'll get into more doing that. So before I head out to F1, the F1 Festival, I just want to check out a couple of cars. Look at this thing. Fire Chicken just showed up. Brown, gold interior with a gold Phoenix on the hood. Look at that. And over here, this is a 488 Spider. So it's black and it has this dark brown stripe down the middle. What else it's got? Looks like it's got Anarchy wheels. Let's put it in the hood, put it in the top up. There you go. And this really nice wing on the back. Nifty. And the top's up. All right, guys, I'm gonna be heading out to Formula One pretty soon, a Formula One festival. But before I go, check this out: 918 Spider with a license plate Spy 918. Look at this. Tops off. It's a nice day today. Wow, leather and carbon fiber everywhere. There you go. Of course, over here, acid green, flat acid green. Oh, I don't know what. This isn't acid green. Acid green is a Porsche color. You know what I mean. This is probably like Verde Scandal or something. All right, guys. So I just left Prestige Imports. I'm on the way to the F1 Miami Festival right now. So I think we're just gonna end the vlog here, and then I'll continue the F1 Festival on another video. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.